Hi guys, Milo and Alla over here from obviously Allasyummyfood. I just wanted to tell everyone, you know, massive thank you from the bottom of my heart for reaching 100,000 subscribers. Milo is really grateful as well, aren't you, buddy? So yeah, as you know, it's been my dream for so long to get 100,000 subscribers, and I'll do another video when I get my button, so I'm waiting for it now. Do you mind? I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been with me from the beginning, when I just started 6 years ago. You know, it just feels like it's been such a long time, and here we are, we've reached it. We reached 100k. I wanted to do something really nice and big for you guys, that you can enter to win something. What I'm gonna do a yearly subscription for free for my website to become a member, for one lucky winner. So leave the comment down below saying, you know, what is your favorite dish from my channel, or just say 100k well done, and you'll be automatically entered to win a yearly subscription. And obviously don't forget to check the comments when I do draw a winner in a week's time, and yeah, you'll become lucky member. Woo! Aren't you excited? But yeah guys, thank you so much everyone. I'll keep producing amazing content for you. I have got so many ideas on Eastern European, Latvian, Baltic and Russian dishes that I can't wait to share with you. So I'll see you every week. Bye. Camera. Yeah, what's that? What's that?